Hello, everyone. So nowadays, we see that there is a lot of data around us, a lot of screens. As we recently heard, you can have hundreds of thousands of pixels in a single screen. Our idea, or the problem, as we call it, we were looking into, was sometimes, perhaps, we need to step back a little and think of what is really important. We are constantly facing information overload, and there are a lot of screens that we face in a day-to-day life. Perhaps it's important to focus on what is relevant. So our idea is lit. What is lit? It is simply a simple LED. What's so special about this LED? It's a simple, versatile visual indicator, and you input what you'd like to know, and lit tells you what you need to know. Our vision is to improve safety and ease of navigation while providing the user with desired information in the simplest possible way. How do we do this? In order to explain this, I will first go through a small demo. So for this, we are using lit as a driver safety tool device. So in order to enable safe driving, we will try to use lit to indicate to the driver where he should be extra careful because he might be around an area where it is required to be extra careful while driving. To do this, we got data from Transportstyrelsen, and that was the traffic accidents in the last year, as well as road construction, dynamic data on road constructions going on right now from the Linköpings commune. And we used this data in our algorithm where, so we use this data in our algorithm so that lit would provide a simple color, red, yellow, or green, to indicate to the driver where he should be careful. So we'll run a demo. If you could focus this screen, please, as well as here. So lit is a simple LED, and that's the demo. If you can see, we are traveling from Linköping city center and we are simulating traveling all the way here. When we are driving on the highway, it goes a green because that's a safe zone. As soon as we come near accidents areas, the red markers are accident areas. The yellow markers are construction sites. So this is the simulation. What we need to focus on is the LED itself, and that simply tells us whether to be careful when we're driving or not. So what is the potential of this particular device? In this particular use case, we think of considering more parameters so that it is a comprehensive device which tells you when to be careful, when not to be careful, simply looking at an LED. We also think that the future growth in augmented reality can be covered well because these are not really covered by simple signs on the road. And we think that it is a simple and versatile device which can be used in areas outside just transportation, and it can be integrated into our daily lives. So we have thought of a simple interface that we can have on the phone wherein we can select which task we would like lit to perform. The road safety alert was the example I just gave. Similarly, you could perhaps have a Gmail alert. If you're expecting an important email, you can pretty much have it brighten up exactly when you get it. Or you can stick a lit perhaps on the umbrella stand. And when you step out of the house, it checks the weather alert and tells you if it will rain the same day and remind you to carry the umbrella with you. So that is lit for you. And this is a simple mock-up of the ideas we have. Thank you.
Thank you.